This is a relic from the late 1980s, JVC Video Movie Letter. It is a bundle for amateur video makers that includes an adapter from compact VHS to full-size VHS, an instructional video how to shoot a video letter, a padded envelope, and a shipping label. This particular set doesn't come with blank compact VHS media. JVC offered a larger set that included 3 blank tapes along the instructional movie, and another set with just 1 blank tape. Of course, you could also buy the adapter only as well. The instructional video explains how this package is supposed to work. You shoot a video about your family vacation with a compact VHS camcorder. Insert the compact VHS cassette in the adapter and mail the whole thing to your friends or relatives. To watch the complete instructional video, follow the link in the description. The adapter is motorized, so it comes with a AA battery, which has been dead for a long time. Fortunately, some things do not change, and AA dry cell is one of those things. It was introduced in 1907 for penlight flashlights by American Ever-Ready Company and is still in use today, unlike VHS, which took just 40 years from birth to death. Anyway, I have a fresh AA battery. Not everyone likes motorized adapters. I suppose because they can jam, you cannot control the loading process, and if it breaks, you cannot load tape manually. Fully manual adapters do exist, like this one from Excel. Frankly, I don't know how VHS could ever work for a travel video. The resolution is so low, anything that has lots of small details is unwatchable. Maybe if you try to throw the busy parts out of focus, instead focusing on something larger with uniform color, like a face. It is interesting that the JVC's instructional video doesn't mention editing or copying. Basically, you shoot some vacation scenes and then send the original tape to the granny. When grandkids get older and become nostalgic and start looking for some memorabilia, the granny would kick the bucket, so the family would collect her belongings, getting the tape back. Very economical and smart. On this note, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.